up that radio, baby.
It's on with the lawyers there in the know.
What are we doing this show for?
Lawyers? Back in that same old place. WLS, Chicago. Come on, baby, it's your favorite show.
I said crank that radio, honey.
I got it. It's on with the lawyers that are in the know.
What are we doing, brother?
It's the Law Show. WLS, Chicago.
Take it away, Brian Dailey. Welcome to the Law. I'm attorney Brian Dailey, broadcasting live from high atop the Law Show studios in the Windy City, Chicago. It's the Law Show on 890 AM WLS. Happy St. Patrick's Day to the world's most Irish city outside of Ireland. I am, of course, Irish. My name is Dailey, and I am a lawyer. I'm practicing here in Chicago. I practice all over the country. I have offices in Florida and in Chicago and in Detroit. And I want to welcome you to the Law Show. We dedicate every show to the good works of the Captain Friars in Chicago and all over. It's the province of St. John. What good work they do. They feed people. They clothe people. They are nice to people, and they take generally good care of them. I'm broadcasting live from high atop the Law Show studios in the Windy City, Chicago. I'm founder of the Daily Law Firm with offices in Detroit and Chicago and in Florida. I'm host of the Law Show, heard every Saturday at 10 a.m. on 890 AM WLS. I'm answering all your legal questions at 855-LAW-SHOW. That's 855-529-7469. You can also email your questions to questions, that's plural questions, at thelawshow.com. I'll answer your questions right here and right now. If you don't want to go on the air, call us anyway at 855-LAW-SHOW. That's 855-529-7469. Follow the prompts to leave a message and your question. We'll get back with you probably right after the show. I'll answer your questions right here and right now. And on the Law Show every Saturday morning at 10 a.m. on 890 AM WLS. You can also right now watch the Law Show on the Internet from our website at thelawshow.com. Just go to thelawshow.com and click on the Watch Live link, and you'll see yours truly, Brian Dailey, answering your legal questions about injury cases like car accidents, plane accidents, slips and falls, every kind of accident, motorcycle crashes, slips, trips, falls, animal attacks, workers' compensation, medical malpractice, legal malpractice. Yes, lawyers sometimes make mistakes, but Illinois is very lucky and very fortunate to have not only a great bench, but a great bar. There's probably very few cases of legal malpractice out there, but they do happen, and you need to pursue it if you have that. We'll handle your questions about insurance claims, employment discrimination, violation of civil rights, and more. Just call 855-LAW-SHOW. That's 855-529-7469. If you've got questions about real estate, and right now I want to talk to people about the foreclosure crisis. A lot of people go into foreclosure. In fact, I have been tracking the number of foreclosures in the Chicagoland area, and in Cook County alone for the last 4, 5, 8 weeks, there have been minimum 200 foreclosures per day. And just because a company's coming after you for foreclosure doesn't mean you got to roll over and play dead. You got to make sure that they've done everything that they're supposed to do, and we do that. Justin Grove of my office and Brian Russell, also of my office, have been handling those matters quite successfully for quite some time, and we'd like to handle that for you. Remember, there is never a charge for the initial consultation, so we'll sit down and talk with you, and until you sign the dotted line, you don't owe us a single penny. We'll give you free legal advice, just like being on the radio. Just call right now at 855-LAW-SHOW. That's 855-529-7469. If you've got questions about family law, including divorce, child custody, child support, grandparent visitation rights, I'll answer your questions about criminal charges, including drunk driving, traffic, and restoration of your driver's license. It doesn't really matter which particular topic is. I've got your answers. All you got to do is call 855-LAW-SHOW. That's 855-529-7469. Email your questions to questions@thelawshow.com. Remember, when you call, you're not going to help just yourself by getting a great legal answer. You're going to help everybody else in the Chicagoland area listening to one of Illinois' most powerful radio stations, 890 AM WLS. They're going to hear your question, they're going to hear my answer, and then that's going to give them information. It's sort of like a PSA, public service announcement. And you should participate in that and help people out with that information. Remember, we're going to take a short break. When we come back, we'll be answering all your legal questions. So listen carefully to the sponsors in these commercials, and stay tuned.